Hi everyone! Good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you Monopoly Go, best strategy to win. First things first, open up your Monopoly Go app. And from here, I will recommend you several strategies that you can do to further improve your gameplay. First is Shutdown and Bank Heist. The shutdown feature allows you to attack another player's city by swinging a wrecking ball at one of their buildings. If they block your attack, you only make half the money you would have otherwise earned. However, if they don't have any shields left, you'll make the full amount of money. Second is Bank Heist. This is a card matching game where you flip over cards to find 3 identical symbols. The size of the heist depends on the symbol you find first. The larger the heist, the more money you can steal from other player. Be aware that other players can also steal your money through bank heist. To minimize the amount they can take, spend all your money before turning off the game. Third is building upgrades. Use the money you collect to purchase and upgrade buildings. These upgrades add houses to your board, boosting your income. Your net worth will increase each time you purchase or upgrade a building. When you fully purchase and upgrade all the buildings on the map, you'll be able to move on to another city. Moving to a new city brings the more lucrative possible roles, higher payouts for shutdowns and bank heists, and significantly more money with each role. Fourth is quick wins. Check out the quick wins in the bottom left corner of your screen. These are side quests given by the game, and you'll have 3 of them at a time. Completing quick wins earns you free rewards like cash and rolls. Remember to manually collect your prizes once you finish all 3 quick wins. When you complete a set of quick wins, you'll receive a new set to tackle. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. Here are several Monopoly Go best strategy to win. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.